Guys, you know that in your OET 2.0 speaking subtest, of course, a role play card that you have to do is divided into 3 parts: setting, scenario, and tasks. And you know that you will be getting a couple of tasks. You have to go through those tasks, you have to start speaking, organize your speaking. So what about this organization? This organization of tasks is whole and solely depending upon your own preparation. You might be getting 4 tasks, sometimes 8 tasks, sometimes 12 tasks, 14, and the count just goes on. Whenever you start speaking, you'll be getting 3-minute preparation time, so focus on those tasks. You can prepare either ways, from the beginning, from the bottom, descending, ascending, or from the middle, whatever, whichever, however way you want, you can start preparing your tasks. But there are 2 factors that you have to keep in mind. 1, while speaking, if the interlocutor or the examiner is asking you a question, stop your speaking over there, answer to the question, and then resume with your task. And the second factor that you have to keep in mind is task fulfillment. You have to speak all the task as much as it is possible. It not only shows your proficiency in your particular language, but also it shows that you are a good speaker. You are a very good convincing person, and you are speaking up to the mark, and the patient or the person to whom you're having a conversation with is totally satisfied. So, it is not a very difficult job, it is a very easy job. So why not we start organizing our task, paying attention to the priorities of the task so that you can get a well-structured as well as an organized speaking. You can underline, you can encircle, you can put your focus on those points that you think that it's most important. And then you can go down towards the lesser important points you can organize in such a way, or whatever way you feel like you can do. But keep in mind, all the tasks are important. Worst case scenario, just in case if you forget 1 or 2 tasks in your first role play card, please do not feel low. Leave it. Try to complete the all task, whatever is given in your next role play card. That's it, isn't it? As simple as it sounds. Why wait then? Let's go on with our role play.